Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. So let's continue the chapter number 7, that is Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creation. So we will start a new topic, that is generating a new sprite. So in Scratch, cat is default sprite. But you can create a new sprite or import more sprite from the file in your project. So Scratch provides 3 different options for adding sprite on your applications. These 3 different options. So these options are accessed through a new sprite button located just below the stage. This one, that is a new sprite button. So these are 3 options. So first method is that paint or create new sprite. So here we have to choose the first option, this one, that is paint new sprite. Click on it. Then this is a paint editor dialog box and a paint editor program. So in this can be used to create a new sprite with the help of drawing commands from the toolbar. So these all are the drawing commands. So I just by default I will choose the any one. So first of all I will select a color from here. So let us suppose I want to choose color this one, and after that I select this one and press the left button of your mouse and draw. So I want this sprite by default now this time. So click on OK. So now you can see this sprite on your stage. So click the left button of your mouse and drag it. Now this is the first, that is a by default, and this is the second one, that is by using paint. Now second method is choose new sprite from file. So this is a file, click on it. So you can choose the anyone, like I will click on animals. So you will select the anyone. So here I will select this one, butterfly. So click on it, that means select, then OK. Now again place your cursor on a particular sprite, then press the left button of your mouse and drag it. This is the second method. Last method is get surprise sprite. So third is get surprise sprite. Click on it. So this is the surprise sprite. So again press left button of your mouse and drag it new position. So now here 4 sprite. This one is a cat, then this, then with paint, and last surprised. Now next is how you can delete a particular sprite. You can delete a sprite from the stage if you don't want it on your project. So for that, right click the sprite. Suppose I don't want this one. So place your cursor on it and right click. After that, fourth option, that is delete. Then click on it. Then again I don't want this one. Then suppose I don't want this one. Then click on it. Right click on it. Then click on delete. Now next is changing the costume of sprite. So sprite is a small character that perform action on the stage. So it can have one or more costumes, allowing it to change its appearance as the application execute. A sprite must have at least one costume. So for that, click on costume tab, this one. After that, click on import. So you can select any other costume according to your requirement. So let us suppose this time I will choose this one. So click on it, select, then click on OK. So now you can see the changes on your screen. So you can also set the sprite position on the stage. So this is the stage, that is a full white area. So you can change the position of the sprite according to your requirement. Just place your cursor on a particular sprite, and after that press the left button of your mouse and drag it. So you can change the position. Now next is how you can change the background. Here the background is a white color, so you can also change the background. So click on the white icon stage on the left of sprite, this one. Click on it. After that, click on background, then click on import. So here you can select the anyone's pose. I double click on nature and I will select here first option, then click on OK. So now you can see the changes. So by these steps you can change the background also. So students, in the next video we will start the programs, that is create a program by using Scratch software. And one more thing, you can easily download, free download Scratch 1.4 version. This is a software Scratch 1.4. So you can easily download it over internet. So thank you.